Hello there pretty faces, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new hairstyle day. As you can see, my naturals are all, I braided them down just 4 little sections because they're in a protective style and I deep condition there, so it's like they can absorb they can absorb the bit of product they're getting, because I've been not giving them product because I have my faux locks in. But with that being said, my name is GillSee. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. What are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. It's a new week, it's a new wig. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I did a few snaps of this, just kind of like showing you guys that I was going to film a new video. And here it is. I actually got this wig from Samsbeauty. Believe it or not, this wig is $6.99. $6.99. This includes tax and shipping, but $6.99. I know I am so much for a budget queen, but I'm going to take it out of the packet. I've already taken it out of the packet, but just for the tube life, I will take it out to pick it for you. To put in the color too, and it says rainy touch and gives you a natural look, which is okay with me. I couldn't care less. And the style is Lonnie. The only thing about this wig, and again, it's cheap, so of course I completely understand, but even being cheap, I feel like even worse if you order a cheap wig, they have combs. This one does not have any combs. No combs. It doesn't have a lace frontal. So if I was you and you're deciding to go out and you know it's windy, sis, this is not the wig for you, let me tell you. But anywho, gonna put on my little knit, my hair knit. See, I've got a very tiny hair, so what I usually do is I put the two clips. So much better. I love it. I kind of love the way it turned out. I don't know what you do. What did I say to your auntie? No, you only vibes. Joe, go Joe, go Joe, go Joe. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And mwah, mwah. Till I see you again. Bye.